All right, guys, welcome everyone. First of all, I posted a tweet which was very controversial that said that gold will crash soon. And I think it was Bravo 6 out that mentioned hold the fuck on, buddy. And then he typed something else. I'll take the post here. He says, hold the fuck on, buddy. Gold will crash. Please elaborate and provide sources. I follow you because I agree with most of your analysis, but this one needs more receipts. All right, so I told him that I would make a video, and he would have loved to have a grandiose introduction. So yeah, here you go. Bravo 6 out. Love you, man. See you soon. All right, so if you're watching this video and you think like, man, this guy is bullshitting, I don't listen to Cowboy anymore. Hold the fuck on. All right, so let's watch what happened. So this is the BTC on the 1 month time frame, and this is gold on the 12-month time frame. Do you notice any similarities? Oh, yeah, you see? All right, so let's take it here. First of all, this big move, we had this big move. Then we have this generally downward move with like a big one up here. It's almost the same. And then we had the big move up. Big move up. You can actually see all the similarities. Um, but here's where it gets interesting. All right, so we had the downtrend here with the Bitcoin bull market of the last bull market, and then we had the uptrend. But this was a huge fake out. This was a huge fake out. Wait. Oops. All right, this right here, guys, this is a huge fake out here. And it was with two liquidity grabs, right? You see these long candles? Those are liquidity grabs. So that means that there was a lot of liquidity, a lot of stop losses there. People got wiped, and we moved downward. Then we had the big uptrend because of these long liquidity grabs, all right? A lot of people got liquidated again. Boom, we make a big move. Right here, you can see these big ones, these big liquidation wicks, right? All right. So first of all, compare Bitcoin to gold. I said that. They have a lot in common. It's like a mirror that you're looking at. Um, Only thing is BTC is ahead right now. But if you look at the similarities between these two, then it's actually almost insane how similar they are. Now, um, on gold, we didn't have the big wicks downward, but sometimes it happens. Um, this was a lot of selling pressure, but we went up, so it also almost looks exactly the same. So what will happen now? Bitcoin took a lot of liquidity right here. This is also the Bitcoin. I mean gold. Gold right now is making this big fake out already, right? You can see it easily. Um, and if you can see that this pattern actually almost is identical to the one that Bitcoin has, we can expect a huge crash. And I mean a crash of like 50%. I don't think it will be as heavy as Bitcoin, but Bitcoin had 80, I think 80 or something, 80%. How much did we go down this year? Let's see. We went down significantly though. Yeah, 70 to 80% almost. If you take it from the top, it's like 82%. Um, I think gold will retrace to like 900 to 800. Um, this can actually happen. Let's see. Yeah, let's say a 50% decrease, and then we will go higher. Um, but Bitcoin and gold have a lot of similarities. Now, if you're still not with me, I mean, actually also, these were just two candles, two wicks that wiped. These are already four. You see it? They already wiped this high four times. So, okay, That's one thing. Now we will take the gold versus the S&P 500, the SPX. All right, so we are doomed to crash. We are meant to crash. It's actually supposed to happen. If we can see here, we had a minor bull run, decrease, correction, boom, correction. We made a double bottom here, got a lot of liquidity grabs here, and then we had like a straight up line. Now also, I don't know if you know this, but if you go carefully look, if you look carefully at big time frames on bull runs, these are mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, or five or six candles, and then four, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we had a doji 1, 2, 3. All right, and then 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I mean that one is kind of strange. Like I can't really explain it to you, but that's often in bull runs. It's often like that. That it's like on the very high time frames that we have like 3 or 4 candles that just are bullish, right? And then we had the correction, right? But this is also almost if you go look at the monthly, this is already a double top. So I think we are actually the S&P is also going to crash. So if people have money in the S&P 500 and the S&P 500 crashes, where do they put their money? Will they fear sell? Probably. If gold crashes, where will they put their money? If crypto crashes, because it's all connected, where will people put their money? So there will be a lot of fear selling as well. Bitcoin will probably crash to like 10K. I'm actually serious about this. I think we have not seen any the lows yet. So I think we will actually fill that CME gap on the CME gap. Which ones do we have now? We have the 20K one, or easy fill in the next couple of months. Then the 10 and the 9K. I think we will see that filled as well. Look, the market is made out of probabilities, right? But if you have so many similarities in the market, yeah, guys. Look, I'm just here to inform you, or not even to educate you, but to inform you that these things can happen, right? You should never throw them out of the window just because you think that, I mean, just because you believe, right? It doesn't work like that. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Let's see. They're actually literally squeezing people out here, right? They're actually squeezing people out. They're squeezing every single thing. So what I wanted to say was, when all of this crashes, what will people do? They won't trust anything anymore, and then the government will enforce CBDCs on the public, right? CBDCs are here to save the day. I think it's gonna be a scenario like that actually yeah, I think this scenario is actually very viable and possible. Um, yeah, so guys, as always, stay safe, do your own research. This is my perspective on the market. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that you do your own research indeed, and just stay safe out there, right? So see you soon. I think Monday is my next upload time. So I will upload you Monday. Then we had another weekly candle close on all the major cryptos. Also, all of these cryptos, I think, might see their all-time low. Wait, let's see this. I think all of the cryptos are actually going to see all-time lows. I mean, all of the cryptos are wiping their previous lows. Look at this. Gas, boom, low wiped. Casper, let's see. Did we wipe our low? Casper didn't wipe its lows yet. It did here, and then it had a good move upward, but I think it has a really hard, strong support here, a resistance here, so it really can't go up here. See it? It always tests it. Then Atom, let's see. Yeah, Atom also almost. Yeah, okay. I mean, this is a huge drop. But I think we might see this low wiped as well, and then what the real thing is, right? And people don't see this coming is that we can wipe these lows as well. I mean, if Armageddon happens, I mean Armageddon in the markets, I think this might be something. I mean, we have a clear on the daily, we have a clear head and shoulders. I think we just will crash. Um, we don't really have that on Casper yet. I think we even have a weekly. Yeah, I'll make another video about that. We see here inverse head and shoulders. I think Casper might go up a bit, and then crash, because it doesn't really have liquidity enough to drop, and it actually took a lot of liquidity out of the markets when it made its here. It wiped its low already. So yeah, guys, this is something that might happen. So see you soon. Stay safe. Do your own research, and I hope you found it helpful. Third time I said that, but I do this all in one recording. I don't edit anything yet. Maybe in the future I might, when I get better at YouTube, when I have more time to research YouTube and stuff like that. But yeah, let's see. See you safe. See you soon. Bye.